Hey guys, today we are reviewing the Bowhead Whale from Safari LTD. So first off, I'm not joking when I say that this is one of my favorite whales in my collection. It sells for $12.50 and it is part of the Wild Safari Sea Life collection. So the paint job is really cool. I love the eyes. There are some spots where maybe they could have done a little bit better. But overall, the paint job is really nice. Okay, so 10 out of 10 for the paint job. It looks really incredible as far as detail. You'll notice that the mouth is partially open, and there you can actually see the whale's tongue, and also the baleen, which they're going to use to filter out their food. So pretty cool. Oh, and it also has the elevated blowhole, so that's really cool too. If you are watching this and you haven't seen my shorts on the Bowhead, watch those because I talk about that blowhole. Very cool. It is a little top heavy with that big head, so it doesn't sit quite right. And that could be my fault, but I don't think so. Next up, will it hold up to your child's play? Absolutely, this is going to hold up. This is a solid figure. So yeah, it's definitely going to survive that. So yeah, enjoy. If you are a collector, see if you can pick this one up. I don't know if other companies make this particular animal, but it is definitely worth the money. With that, I will see you later. Next week, I am doing reindeer or caribou. So be on the lookout for that. See you then.